My friends. So, welcome again in my second class. So, today we are going to study or learn Russian language through English and Hindi. So, first left side you can see what is this. Let me just okay. So, here first name is Ala. Ala, A double L A, and that is in Hindi Ala. Ivan. What is that? Ivan. Ivan. अंतोन दिस ऑल आर नेम ये क्या है सभी का नाम है अंतोन ANTON अंतोन ठीक है सो हेयर यू कैन सी राइट साइड ताम ताम मीन्स देयर वहाँ ओके सो वहाँ यू कैन इंडिकेट लाइक दिस गर्ल टूथ ओके टूथ यू कैन इंडिकेट ऑल्सो देयर ओके वहाँ बट थोड़ा नज़दीक में दोमा so doma is also house घर what is that घर यहाँ पे some small sentences are there you can read it out это Anton so это means this is an Anton so यह क्या है यह Anton है Anatut that means she is there so वह वहाँ है correct eta Ivan so you can see eta Ivan okay so this is Ivan eta Ivan so here यह Ivan है Ondoma maybe you can see another picture Ondoma so he is at home okay so he is at home now you can see another Anna Ivan Doma so Anna means girl name Anna 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 and he is and Ivan is at no Anna Ivan are at home okay now you can see another one muy tut muy tut muy tut means we are there हम लोग वहाँ हैं so I believe these all are clear now here this is a question mark okay so question mark eta Anton so this is question is this Anton so क्या यह Anton है like that so da means yes हाँ это this okay is yes this is Anton okay so yes यह Anton है da eta own that means Yes, this is he. Okay. So here, yes, ये वह है या फिर ये वो है. Again here question you can see question mark. Heter Anton. So this is again question. Is this Anton? Again another. Heter Anna. So is this Anna? Another. Lampatut. So is lamp there? So क्या लैंप वहाँ पर है और वहाँ है, like that. Here again question. Heter Anna. So maybe asking होते. So is this Anna? The et Anna. So yes, yes, this is Anna. Okay. The et Anna. So again, yes, this this is this is she, like that. Okay. The Doma. Yes, yes. So contextual meaning yes at home. Okay. Or yes, she is at home. Okay. The Annadoma. So again, yes, she is at home. So अभी हम लोग ने सीखा छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं या क्वेश्चन करने का जो इंटोनेशन जो होता है वो कैसा होता है. यहाँ पे देखो और यहाँ पे देखो कैसे बोलते हैं. एत अन्ना. सो दैट मीन्स सिंपल. दिस इज अन्ना. एत इवन. सो दैट मीन्स इज दिस इवन. तो यहाँ पे डिफरेंसेस हो गया. एक नॉर्मल सेंटेंस है और एक क्वेश्चन मार्क वाला है. तो कैसे करते हैं. अनदोमा. सो आना. अनदोमा. सो नो सपोज सॉरी. अनदोमा. सो अन्ना. Anna is at home. Okay, so normal simple question. So Ivan Doma. So like that, if you are asking, so that means is Ivan at home. Another. To Tam Dom. So Tam Dom, that means there is home or there is a home. Tam Vada. So is there water. So क्या वहाँ पर पानी है. Okay, क्या वहाँ पे पानी है. So similarly, you can learn Anton Doma. Anton Doma. Okay. So here you can see Anton Doma. Anton Doma. Dom Tam. Like that. So question mark. Tam Dom. Da Un Doma. So yes, he is at home. Da Anton. Means yes, Anton घर पे है. Da Tam. Yes, the Tom, the dome, yes, at home, like that. So here again question is there. At Ivan. So normal this is Ivan. So here Ivan है. Ivan है. This is Ivan. So अगर next is question at Ivan. So is this Ivan? The on means yes, he is. What is this? Yes, he is. Similarly, Anadoma. So Anna is at home. Anadoma. So that means is Anna at home? The Doma. Yes, at home. Like that. Lampatut. Lampatut. So that means is lamp there? Lamp is there. So lampatut. So is lamp there? So the tooth. Yes, it is there. Like that. So here you can see in this figure at the doom. So that means someone is asking question. So is this home? Question mark. The at the dome. So yes, this is home. Ivan Tam. So asking Ivan Tam. So that means is Ivan there? तो क्या इवान वहां पर है? द ताम yes there. So this is exercise, so you can do it. Anadoma, the anadoma, like that. Similarly, now you can read out. Okay, eta mama papa. So this is mother and father. The eta mama papa, yes, again only you can add yes. This is mother and father. तो यह माता पिता है, हाँ यह माता पिता है, ठीक है. अनाताम, सो दैट मीन्स अना वहां पर है, द अनाताम अनादोमा, यस अना इज एट होम एंड अना मीन्स शी इज एट होम. एतदोम, दिस इज होम. Lampatooth, so lampatooth, that means lamp is there. The tooth means yes, it is there, it is there, or yes, it's there. Okay, now you can see the here some small telephonic conversation. So we are like whenever speaking hello, so not hello, allo. What is that? Allo, allo. hmm? Dada means yes, yes. Это Ivan. So Anton Doma. No, sorry. Это Ivan. So this is Ivan. Anton Doma. Is Anton at home? Is Anton at home? Da un Doma. Yes. He is at home. What is that? He is at home. So again, hello. Eta Wanlin. So यह वानलिन है. इवान दोमा, so that means asking क्या इवान घर पर है? Is Ivan at home? दादा anadoma, so yes, yes. Ina, sorry, not Ivan, Ina. So Ina is girl's name. Yes, she is. Yes, she is at home. Correct. So like this you can just practice it, and then you will get little confidence how we are framing the small sentences, and then how we are asking question, how the simple sentences. So this all thing are very simple, but when you practice yourself, then you will get to know. So thank you so much. We'll see you in the next class.